Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make banking simple and stress-free. Have you been asked for a void check and don't know how to get one? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to quickly get a void check through RBC Royal Bank, whether you're using their app or their online banking platform. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about what a void check is. It's simply a check that has void written across it. It's not meant for a payment. It's used to provide your banking details like your account number and branch transit number for things like direct deposits or pre-authorized payments. Here's how you get a void check on RBC. First and foremost, go ahead and log in into your RBC online banking account. So in here, you need to provide your personal information. Once you're signed in from the main menu, click on the account section. Select the account for which you need a void check. Look for the option direct deposit info or print void check. Download or print the void check, and it's that simple. And that's it. Getting a void check from RBC Royal Bank is quick and easy, whether you're on your computer or mobile device. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.